Down one of many streets in Fourth Ward. Some of these old shotgun houses, man, it's absolutely amazing that a lot of these structures are still standing. And it looks like this one in particular is a historic home. Let's see, whose house is this? Vance Lewis. Oh, the attorney guy. (1863). It's a long time ago, man. Watch these cars. I wonder who owns this house now. It's funny how times have really changed. You couldn't get people to come in the Fourth Ward. And now, everybody wants to move here. Everybody wants to move here. Everyone wants to move to the East End. Everybody wants to move to the Heights. Everybody wants to move to Third Ward. It's funny how times change. It's a nice old house. It's boarded up. Look how high that porch is. With all these bayous in the area, I honestly doubt if they have to worry about flooding. Oh. Okay. This is another historic home. Reverend Ned Pullman. I may be wrong. I think Jack Yates' house was right here in this empty lot. But now it sits in Sam Houston Park, along with a lot of other historic homes. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.